All right, I just purchased a new iPhone 15 Pro, and so I needed a new case, and this is the one I chose. It's a Smartish wallet slayer because I like having a couple credit cards and my driver's license in my phone. So let me open it up and I'll show you what all comes with this particular phone cover. On the back, it's got a don't know your phone size. So I have a small Pro. So there you go. It says it's 6.1 inch. And there's the ASIN and the code. So let me open it up the rest of the way. So that was pretty cool. When you pull it, it just pulls the whole thing right out because it says open sesame. I thought that was pretty cool. Anyways, there it is. The Smartish. They gave me a sticker. I'm not gonna put it on, but they gave me a sticker. And evidently you can push the cards out from the side, and it seems pretty solid. So there you go. That is my new camera cover for my new iPhone Pro. There you go. Hopefully this helps you out if you're making a selection, and have a great day.